Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Ocoee local and long distance movers near me. When you work with our professional movers, we help with more than just transporting your goods. Whether your long distance move will take you across state lines or across the country, we have all the services you need. Here are some of the things we offer: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Deciding to hire a Florida moving company might seem unnecessary at first. However, as you look at the cost and the benefits, it will likely make more sense. You will gain plenty of time back, along with professionals to handle all your things. When you hire a local moving company, you won't need to do any heavy lifting. With a professional moving company such as 3 Movers, you get a faster moving experience. Getting settled into your new home faster is possible with the right movers. It might take you a few days to a week to pack up and move, but we can handle it all in just a few hours or a single day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ocoee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.